So we are definitely seeing something out of an Alfred Hitchcock movie.
Oh my
It is the most intense thing I've ever seen.
Oh my god.
They are attacking something, and on the camera it looks like some kind of like dirt tornado. No, these are
Dirt
birds.
tornado?
These are crows that are all ticked.
Alfred
They're
Hitchcock,
It's
the
not gonna
birds.
stand in the middle of
Did
it.
you say Alfred
Unlimited.
Hitchcock?
It's Alfred Hitchcock.
Oh God, here they come! Oh Jesus! Oh my
Awesome.
God! What is going on?
This is awesome. What is
FG.
going on?
This is
What is going on?
Only in
Got my
Dunk
friends
City,
from my
baby.
class. Friends from my class.
This is what happens
awesome.
when
Woo!
there's a free beer day in Canada.
Hey,
Oh, this is amazing.
there's a Ludacris concert.
Is it bad that
This
it's
is a
kind of
ludicrous
scared, to be
concert.
honest?
Anybody thinking of
Wow.
those? They're all like congregating right there in the middle.
No, just kidding.
I gotta Snapchat this now.
Yeah, I'm snapping it too. I love Snapchat.
Anybody like?
Send me the video because I think that's cool.
I was gonna say, is anybody thinking of like the seagulls from Finding Nemo? Mine.
Mine? Oh.
But they're like,
Unlimited birds.
oh, there they go.
Unlimited.
Come
They just keep coming.
on. Okay. Is
That was the most insane thing I've ever seen.
What the hell is that? Somebody's gonna be out there and be like,
Are they
that's
gone or what?
No, they're right there in the middle.
Or some shit.
You really can't see them on camera anymore. Wow, only in Dunk City. Only in Dunk City.
Well, then let's get
FGCU.
out.